Good morning children, welcome to English class. In previous class we have discussed about poem. Yes or no? It is about happy people. Now we are going today into exercises. Okay? Everyone open your studio to page number 18 children. See here in 2.2 it is a box, it's there. Read the situation given below. Tick your response. Okay, your father helps you finish your homework. What your father will do? Your father will helps you to do homework, and what do you do for him in return? Okay, now you have to tick here the situation. According to the situation, you need to tick your response, children. Okay, see here two responses have been given. See, say thank you and help him when needed. Next one, tell him that you cannot help him. How we have to do? We should say like that? No, we should not say I cannot help him. But we have to help him and we have to say thank you. That's why I keep the tick mark here in first one. And when you say thank you and also when you help him in return, how your father will feel? Sad or happy? Happy only. Okay, he will feel very happy. And next one, see, in this 2.3 box, find out how to say thank you in two different languages. Fill in this table. One example has been given for you. That means, see here, language and how to say it. How to say it means how to say thank you. How to say it. Now one already they have given, that means English. Okay, like this English they have given. In English how we will say thank you? Thank you only. Yes or no? Thank you. Okay, this is thank you. And next language, our mother language, Telugu. See, like this you have to write. Telugu, in Telugu, ధన్యవాదాలు. Okay, ధన్యవాదాలు. Like this we need to write in Telugu. And next language, our second language, what? Our national language, Hindi. Okay, Hindi. In Hindi how we will say धन्यवाद. Wow. Okay, these are the three languages we will say thank you. Okay children, everyone note down. Okay, next, no problem, I will send in WhatsApp also. There also you can see. Now you turn your pages to 20, studio 20. See children, studio 20. Question time. What does the poet mean by brother shares his bike and kite? We have this line in our poem, right? What the poet is mean by this line? See, responses, you have to tick your response. Okay, see. He does not give his bike and kite, he gives his bike and kite. What is correct one? Second one is correct. That means the line, it means he gives his bike and kite to use. Yes or no? Next one, see children, match the given actions with their pictures. What you have to do? See here actions have been given and here some sentences have been given. You have to match like this to the actions and to the sentences, children. I will send this one in WhatsApp. Okay, you need to do. Before I am sending, once you try and check your answers, is it correct or wrong. And next one, see, go back to the poem, identify words that rhyme with those given below. Okay children, that means you need to go back to the poem and you have to see these three words, rhyme words. Rhyme words means which spells as same. Okay, see first one, fair, Second one, run. Third one, night. Okay, night. Okay, you have to check the poem once again and you need to write the rhyme word. That means the word with rhymes with these words. That means with spells. Same. See, go to poem, children. Where the fair is, here in second line the fair is. Before that, above line once read, mother gives me love and care, father shows me how to fare. That means care and fare are spells like same. Yes or no? Fair and care. That means the rhyme word is care. Write down everyone. C-A-R-E. Care. Next one, come to run. R-U-N. Where it is? In fourth line. Again, first stanza, fourth line, it have been given. See, uncle brings me toys that run. Okay. Once read the above line also. Friend gives me joy and fun. Here, fun and run are spells like same. That means the rhyming word of the run is in this poem fun. F-U-N, fun. Okay. And next, see one more word, night. Okay. See in second stanza, first line. Granny tells me tales at night. Brother shares his bike and kite. See here, children, night and kite. Okay, night and kite both are rhyming words. Okay, night and kite. Okay, children. And next, see, does the poet sound happy? Give reasons. That means, is the poem sounds like happy or sad? Okay, you have to give your responses here. That means here 2 lines have been given to you. You have to write this one as your homework, children. Okay, and next one, see, what do you do in the following situations? That means they will be giving some situations to you and they will give some options, responses also. You need to choose what you will do in that situations. Your friend has given you a gift for your birthday. Okay, what your friend did, you have been given a gift for your birthday, and what is your response? Grab the gift from your friend, say thank you and take it from him or her. Be rude and say that you don't want the gift. What you will do? You will grab the gift from your friend or say thank you and take the gift from him, or be rude and say that you don't want. What you will do? You all are good children, right? That's why what you will do? You will do second one, second option. Okay, here keep the tick mark in the second option, children. Okay, and second one, you have to make a model for a school project. What you have to do? You have to do a model for school project. Your brother helps you to make it. He later asks you to help him clean his room. Okay, when the need of you, he will do. He have did a help to you. Now your brothers wants your help. At that time, what you will do? See, help him clean his room, run away to play, tell him you cannot help him at all. What you will do? You all are good, right? What you will do, children? You will help him in the room and you will clean the room also. That's why everyone keep here. In first box, keep the tick mark, children. Okay, and next, see page number 22. Here some interesting picture is there. Very beautiful picture it's there. See what is this picture is about. See children, this picture, what are they here? These balloons, ribbons, all the family members have been gathered here. Cake, table, so many gifts on the table. And here tree, what type of tree it is, children? It is Christmas tree. Now see what is happening here. Let's see here, read this one. Here is a festival. Suman celebrates every year with his family and loved ones. See, Suman, he is celebrating this festival every year with his family and loved ones. See, this is a time when everyone is happy. Yes or no? When celebrations are going on in festivals time, we will be so happy. Now see, guess the festival. What the festival it will be? It will be the Christmas. Okay, what the festival it will be? In Christmas only, we will decorate our houses like this. And what we will do? What we will do? We will cut the cake and so many people will come to our house. They will bring so many gifts to us. Yes or no? See, color the shades in the picture as below. See, you need to color these shades, children. Okay? And see now. Yes. And this one also I am giving you homework, children. 2.7. Observe the cake. Describe it in as many words you can. Okay? This one 2.7 you have to do as your homework. 2 homeworks I have been given to you, children. What are those? Tell me home task. Okay? What are the home tasks I have given to you? Okay? Do this one in page number 21. Write these responses. Okay? Otherwise, complete the studio. Complete the studio. Till where? Till where we have discussed, children? We have discussed till 2.7. Okay? Okay? Complete the studio till 2.7, children. This is about today's English class. Thank you so much for patience listening. Thank you. Have a nice day.